Today I am reviewing the SMAGREHO Zero Gravity Massage Chair Full Body. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the link below the video. The SMAGREHO 2025 Zero Gravity Massage Chair is an exceptional full-body massage chair designed to elevate your relaxation and wellness experience. This chair truly offers a premium massage with multiple features that cater to various needs, making it perfect for home or office use. One of its standout features is the warm back massage function. The built-in lower back heating promotes increased blood circulation and helps loosen tight muscles, offering a soothing sensation that truly helps you unwind after a long day. This warmth combined with massage therapy provides a deeply comforting and restorative experience. This massage chair comes with 6 different automatic massage modes, which is perfect for customizing your massage, depending on your mood or physical condition. You can choose from strong, relax, sleep, waist, stretch, and neck modes, each designed to target specific areas or provide a unique massage style. Whether you want a deep tissue massage to relieve tension or a gentle relaxation massage before bedtime, this chair has you covered. The versatility of these modes makes it suitable for people with different needs and preferences. The SMAGREHO chair uses a 2D massage technique with 8 fixed Shiatsu massage rollers strategically placed along your shoulders, back, waist, and hips. These rollers provide an intense, yet smooth Shiatsu massage that effectively targets key pressure points, helping to relieve muscle knots and stiffness. Additionally, there are massage rollers positioned at the bottom of the chair to give your feet a thorough massage, which is often overlooked but essential for overall relaxation and stress relief. What truly sets this chair apart is the full-body air compression system. Airbags located all over the chair gently inflate and deflate to massage your deep muscles, increasing circulation and enhancing the feeling of relaxation throughout your entire body. This air compression helps release tension, reduce muscle fatigue, and even assist with lymphatic drainage, promoting better overall health. The zero-gravity experience is a luxurious feature that enhances your massage by simulating a feeling of weightlessness. With just one touch of the zero-G button, the chair reclines to an optimal position where your legs are elevated above your heart level, reducing pressure on your spine and joints. This position not only makes the massage feel more immersive, but also helps reduce stress on your body, making it an excellent way to relax and decompress. The reclining angle is adjustable, so you can find the perfect position for both massage and lounging when the chair is powered off. Another convenient feature is the integrated Bluetooth music player. You can easily connect your smartphone or other Bluetooth-enabled devices and listen to your favorite music, podcasts, or meditation tracks while enjoying your massage. This combination of soothing sounds and massage therapy creates a truly immersive relaxation environment. Assembly is simple, and the chair ships in 2 boxes, making it easy to set up without hassle. Whether you plan to use it at home or in the office, it doubles as a comfortable recliner when not in use for massage, making it a versatile addition to any space. Moreover, the SMAGREHO massage chair makes a thoughtful and luxurious gift for loved ones, whether it's your parents, partner, or friends. In summary, the SMAGREHO 2025 Zero Gravity Massage Chair is a high-quality, feature-rich massage chair that delivers a deep, full-body massage with heat therapy, air compression, and Shiatsu rollers. Its customizable massage modes, zero-gravity recline, and Bluetooth music support make it a standout option for anyone seeking relaxation, stress relief, and muscle recovery. This chair offers excellent value for the price and is a fantastic investment in your health and well-being. If you want to unwind after a stressful day or improve your overall relaxation, the SMAGREHO massage chair is definitely worth considering.